So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to play games on Temu. So first of all, open up the Temu app. Through here you can see at the bottom home, categories, your cart. You can see the search bar and the top part of the page. Now in order to access the in-game mechanics, and you can see or rather in-app games, you can go to the U part of the page. You can see your orders, messages, history, win reward, addresses, and following. And I suggest you click on win reward. Now, make sure that you have the updated version of the app, since it may look a bit different if you have some previous versions. On here, you can see all items free. You can click on get gifts, and you can see you are at a card picking game. So you can pick a card to get more gifts. You can also use some different games. So you can see underneath win your freebie. So you can click on that and you can see it redirects you to this to win your gifts. You can see the rules in the top part of the page, but it's all a specific game. It will look very much like any other game that you can get in your App Store or Google Play Store, but it will be linked with Temu rewards. So all their games that they offer on here will be linked to some rewards, discounts, gift cards, and stuff like that. So you can even see here it says earn credits and free gifts through here, so you can get some benefits of playing games in Temu. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Temu or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.